Macaroni and cheese so good.
NPC, is that you?
Yes.
Huh? Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. Oh wait, why is it so zoomed in?
Your hair big in it?
Yeah. Hey y'all. I don't know if this is the beginning of a new vlog or if this is continued on, but if it's a new one, hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you have on your post notifications and you're liking videos, sharing them with your friends and stuff, all of that. And you know, if you're not new, hey girl, I sound like a... So it's Saturday. I'm at my aunt's house. See? This is whose house it is right here. Having a barbecue. It's stuff everywhere. How was the hot dogs? Because those are the hot dogs I never bought before.
Huh?
They was big, wasn't they?
Ooh. Too good. You taste these?
What's the greens? Mm-mm. But they was marinating all night.
Right? All nice and tender.
They better be good. They was marinating.
I can at least eat some of these. I gotta feed my little blood sugar.
So what? Let me look and see what she... I don't know what they talking about. Because I know sometimes don't it like make a bullseye look?
That's a textbook, the classic. She said, and here's his work, and she said, I've never seen textbook.
You gotta be like Tyree Hill. Come on, Norm.
You cooking? What you looking for? Corn? She said put the burgers. Good morning. It's Sunday. It's Sunday. We are on our way to Philly because we are taking the bigger boys, so Nora and Asa, to the Wells Fargo Center to go see Hot Wheels, like monster truck. It's like a glow party or whatever. So that's what we're doing right now. Well, actually right now we're getting gas, but that's what we're doing today. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, we just stopped to get some gas. As y'all can see, if y'all come here on a regular, y'all know every time y'all on here, I'm in black. Y'all see sis got on some color. Stop playing with me. So I had to match my cups with my outfit sometimes. I'm that corny. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Like I said, we getting gas. I needed some ice for my coffee, and then we out. We hitting the road. So I'll come back and get y'all when we when the scenery switch up a little bit or something. I don't know.
When we come back, inshallah, when I get my check, remind me to stop by my cousin Dada friend.
Okay. Your heads.
Want to see her? Come here. This way, baby.
Okay. What's not?
I want some Cousin's pizza.
Okay.
Just to help you get used to working as a team.
The tires are bigger than.
Oh my goodness. We're coming back, baby. Come on. Now we about to get some pizza. When I say these slices are humongous, these slices are huge.
LaShawn, she won't let me get a Red Bull.
Red Bull? You already.
Push the ring out of Susie.
Kids are so annoying.
Try 2 seconds. Mom, I gotta go see her real quick, Mom.
But no, stay there with your brother. You just said you were standing there. You got Crash Zone tickets.
What?
You should have got Crash Zone.
What is that?
I don't know. I guess you in the Crash Zone.
Maybe we can upgrade.
I don't even know what Crash Zone is. It's anything extra. I don't even know what it is. It's probably just something stupid that's extra. We never dress. I would say we never dress the part. Every time we go to we don't dress the part. We suck.
I didn't know it was happening.
We gotta do better.
We gotta do a little more research. This is the one that I was talking about, right? And I was like, yo, this is really good. Well, so I'm part of this. I was part of the plan.
I think the Crash Zone thing, if I remember what I read, I think you could just like be down here with the things in the beginning to take pictures with the trucks or whatever. See, everybody got their headphones on. The kids. Baby, it would have been too much for baby side. It would have been too much for baby side. The pizza is so big.
That right there is fine.
Here, put it on top.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Yep.
Lauren, stay with me, baby. You're good to go. Have a great day.
Where's my wallet? It's loud. Look at that. Is it super loud?
Didn't you say there was a huge monster?
It's so nice in here. It's so loud. Now I see why people wear those headphones. Like the show. Good. You like the monster trucks? What you drinking?
Daddy soda.
Ooh. Which one was my favorite truck? Like what wise?
Wait, look. Like,
The fire truck.
fire truck was the best.
The fire truck looked the best.
I need to give you a car.
Fire truck in the Charger.
Oh, the orange one? Yeah. Yeah.
And she got the ball.
Thank you.
I got shorts on though.
He got his hoochie daddies.
Yeah, Moochie. My Hoochie Papito.
It wasn't out.